What's up guys, this is a video on how to reset the SSH password back to Alpine, the default password, without restoring. So for any reason as to why you forgot your password, this video is going to allow you to change it back to Alpine. To start with, you're going to need iFile installed on your iPod or iPhone already. So if you don't, then go to Cydia and install it. And to show you that my password is not Alpine, I'll SSH, I'm going to SSH. Copy the address, the IP, to the and SSH. Then it's gonna prompt me for a password, and I'll put Alpine. A-L-P-I-N-E. And I'm gonna put OK, and it's gonna say access denied. So now I'm gonna change the password. Enough with the computer. So my password is not Alpine. So let's say you forget it. To change it, you're gonna need this code, which is right here. I'll have it in the description. I'll copy it all. Select copy. And this is where iFile comes in. Go to iFile. And this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna navigate and go to etc. And go to master password. Click it and go to text viewer. Here you're gonna press edit. And right where it says, I don't know if you can see it, but right where it says root, you're gonna press select, and then you're gonna go all the way down to administrator to the end where it says SH. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. And there you're gonna paste the code that I told you to copy. Put paste. Then put say done. And you're done. Just respring it. And now now the password has been reset back to Alpine. Just wait for it to respring. That's it. It's not that hard. And I'll show you guys that it works. So yeah. Taking long. And now there you go. Now I'm gonna SSH again. So yeah, have that. Make sure it's on. Alright. So yeah, I'm gonna SSH. And now I'm gonna put Alpine. A-L-P-I-N-E. Now I'm gonna press OK. And there you go, you're done. Well, hope this video helps. Sorry for the bad quality because I'm recording on my iPhone 3GS, but yeah, I'll make sure I'll get a camera soon. But yeah, rate, subscribe, and leave comments. So yeah, alright, peace.